Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick General, which is the last tab. Now scroll down, locate and open date and time right here, and now you can either use network provided time, the automatic one, or you can switch it off by tapping on this icon, and then you can pick date and time manually by yourself, so it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also activate automatic time zone, or you can switch auto time zone off, and then you can select one from the following list. As you can see, you've got plenty of possibilities here, so you can choose whatever you want to, and let me pick, for example, this one. And the last option here is the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or just 12-hour format clock to activate it smoothly and mark this switcher. So that would be all. This is how you can set up date and time in your device, and then whenever you would like to go up to automatic setup, you have to tap on all those switchers, and now your date and time will be provided automatically. So that would be all. This is how you can change the date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.